Actually, second.
So everyone be silent and try to understand what I say next. The first thing that you do is read the question and understand what the question is trying to say. Like understand, really understand. A number my ke bhaneko cha ta, the first path was more difficult than the second path. So there are two paths, duita path cha, अनि first पहिलो path र दोस्रो path को कुरा भइरहेछ. First path means bato, है, path means bato. The first path was more difficult. पहिलो बाटो चाहिँ second bato भन्दा more difficult थियो. That's what the sentence is saying. So you have to understand this. The sentence is saying the first path was more difficult than the second path. Now this is true. You cannot write anything else. This is the true.
But the question is the same भयो त. The first.
No, I am not saying मैले answer भनेकै छैन, मैले question नै पढिरहेको. So question को meaning बुझ्नु पर्यो and you have to say the same thing in another sentence. So now I can say it in two ways. सुन्नुस् है. First.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. If first path.
Sir, I have written one sentence only, not written two.
Okay, Niyam, then -1 Niyam. Didn't you write Niyam?
Sir,
Yesterday I had 20 minutes, Niyam. Were you absent yesterday in my class?
No. Pratik sir, म math class मा आउन नि ढिला हुन्छ कि त आउन सक्दिन है.
Yes, सफलता तपाईले 15 minutes भन्दा धेरै
मेरो आँखा जताउन जानु छ.
Okay, okay, सफलता, can you make your parents
मुडीमा काम भन्ने है कि त कसले दुख्ला ल त बेला
What is this?
के भन्नुभयो सर?
What was that sound?
I don't know.
के भन्नुभयो सर?
Safalta, you have to make your parents inform me so that I can not, so I won't give you minus. If you tell me, I'll have to give the minus. That is the new rule. If you are going to be late or class, let your parents inform me. If they don't, I'll have to enter minus for you. So please, Safalta, make your parents inform. Okay, so okay, I'm going to start again, Aida. Please, everyone, if you have nothing related to this to ask me, please be silent and you can tell me other things later on, right? So please listen. There are so many students who have misconception about this. So English is a language, so please try to understand. अब म दोहोऱ्याउँदिन होला सफलता. I will have to go on. है, अब एकछिन कुर्नुस्. Okay, so the first path was more difficult than the second path. So you have to understand this. Don't try to figure it out like तपाईको answer मा चाहिँ म यो more लाई हटाउँछु, not लाई राख्छु. Don't try to think it like that. First, understand the sentence. The first path was more difficult than the second path. Once you have understand that, then you have to write the same thing in another way. So how can you write it in another way? If first path is more difficult, you can say the second path is less difficult, right? First धेरै थियो भने चाहिँ second थोरै थियो. So you can say the second path is less difficult than the first path. I hope there is no problem here, right? मैले यदि first path was more difficult than the second path भन्न मिल्छ भने, if you understand that, you can also say second path is less difficult than the first path. That is one sentence. And the next sentence that you can say is the second path is not as difficult as the first path. First path जतिको difficult छैन. First path धेरै difficult थियो भनेपछि you can say the second path is not as difficult as the first path. Second path चाहिँ first path जति difficult थिएन. And don't try to just think like कि अब
Say भन्नु त.
So okay, everyone say it with me. And don't turn on the mic, but say it. Before you write it, it will be a good exercise for you to say it, and then it will come. It will be, it will leave an impression in your brain, and then it will be easy for you to write. So first say this. The first path was more difficult than the second path. Say it. And don't turn on the mic, just say it. And then say, the second path was less difficult than the first path. So same thing, first path was more, second path was less. And then you say, the second path was not as difficult as the first path. So we are using 3 sentences to say the same thing. So that is what we are practicing right now. We are practicing these 3 kinds of sentence to say the same thing. We are saying one thing using these 3 sentences. So I want you to practice this and get familiar with the sentence structure. The problem is not. So do you understand?
Pratik sir.
Yes, Ranjan.
It is the second path was not as difficult than first path. Yes.
difficult than. So you have to make your tongue familiar with this. कहिले पनि as difficult than हुँदैन. As difficult as playful as dangerous as exciting as. So as will you be used like that. You never say as dangerous than, as exciting than. You say as dangerous as. So please practice this. If you're not getting it correct, it should come to you by the instinct. So if it is not, then practice it with your tongue. It's something that you need to practice and make your tongue familiar with. Otherwise, it will be a very difficult thing to remember all this. तपाईँलाई सबै कुरा याद राख्नु पर्यो भने यादसँग यस्तो हुन्छ, यादै गर्नु पर्यो भने it's going to be a very difficult thing. So I suggest you practice. So whenever you're saying as, it's more likely you're going to use as same as different as expensive as. So you're going to use it like that. So not as difficult as. So that's how you do it. Series, do you understand? Niyam? Okay. I hope you have understood. If you haven't, please ask. And I again suggest you understand the sentence. Don't try to कण्ठ गर्ने अथवा त्यो फर्मुला थाहा पाउने जस्तो नटलाई हटाउने त्यो राख्ने जसरी नसोच्नुस्. बिकज इफ द्याट ह्यापन्स अलिकति सेन्टेन्स चेन्ज भयो भने तपाईँले मिस्टेक गर्नुहुन्छ. बुझ्नुस् अनि के गरिरहेछ, कसरी भनिरहेछ बुझ्नुस्, न कि के गर्नुपर्छ, कसरी भनिरहेछ, कसरी बुझिरहेछ. गो इन्टु द अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ, इट विल बी इजी फर यु. इफ यु ट्राई टु फिगर इट आउट लाइक वर्ड बाई वर्ड, it is going to be difficult. So please understand the meaning. The sentence will come to you easily. Okay, so we are doing the correction of number 2. So those who haven't done, please do it right now. Don't wait for us to do the correction. You keep on doing. To those who have finished, let's do the correction. Okay, Jasmine, can you tell me the answer of B number? I have already said the answer of A number. I'll repeat one more time. The first path was more difficult than the second path is the question. So the answer is the second path was less difficult than the first path. The second path was not as difficult as the first path. 2 sentences. Okay, Jasmine, your turn. B number. Jasmine? I'm very happy today. There are all students present in my class. This does not happen often. Please don't leave the class. If you are 15 minutes, if you miss 15 minutes, I'm going to consider absent. Jasmine.
Sir, lockdown meeting.
Jasmine. I think Jasmine has gone somewhere. Maybe she has left a message.
Jasmine.
Once more.
Writing that no.
Yes. Ellen, we write 2 sentences. Someone is eating. Okay, I think Jasmine is eating. Oh no, Sasbi is eating. Seri sir, I haven't.
Jasmine had said similar book is not as
exciting as Seema's book. Okay.
Not as
in chat.
Yes, okay. Salim's book is not as exciting as Seema's book. Seema's book is more exciting. Salim's book, Seema's book jati exciting China. So you say Salim's book is not as exciting as Seema's book. So go with the understanding, right? So Salim's book is not as exciting as Seema's book. Practice this sentence. Say it. If it does not come to you easily, just repeat 2-3 times and make your tongue used to it. So Salim's book is not as exciting as Seema's book, and the second sentence will be. I think Jasmine has sent the second sentence too. Can I say his number? Okay, she hasn't sent.
Sir, दुईटै लेख्नु पर्छ हो.
Yes.
Answer.
2 sentences. Yes, Kushi?
Pratik sir, can I go
Yes.
to toilet?
Go to toilet. Okay, the second sentence will be Salim's book is less exciting than Seema's book. So Salim's book is less exciting. If Seema's book is more exciting, Salim's book is less exciting than Seema's book. And so I hope both the sentences are you listen to the both sentence and done the correction if there are any mistake. C number, Ranjan. A cyclone is more dangerous than a thunderstorm.
The thunderstorm is not as dangerous as cyclone.
Very good.
The thunderstorm is less dangerous than cyclone.
Okay, can you say like you're sad? Can you say the same sentence like you're sad? Can you do that, Ranjan?
Sir, dog is आउनु पर्ने हैन.
The cyclone and the thunderstorm.
ए हुनुपर्ने हैन अ हुनुपर्ने हैन दको सट्टामा
Where, in which? The answer that.
यो हो अ
Yes, yes, but I'm not going to look at those mistakes. Ranjan, you heard Kavya, there was article mistake, but it's okay. He made the sentence correctly. So I am trying to be, condoning over the other mistakes. Okay, so what I'm saying is, Ranjan, can you say it like you're sad? Can you say it like you're sad? Like, kind of.
How to say that sad?
No,
No.
this is how we learn English. Right?
Thunderstorm is not as dangerous as cyclone.
You say it
I
like
don't
you're
know.
sad. The cyclone is more dangerous than a thunderstorm.
साइक्लोन भनेको
Come on, I don't know.
Okay. Thank you, Ranjan. You tried. So I just want to, put some drama in. So, like, make it interesting. You say it like sad. You say it like very fast. Say it very slow, kind of thing. Okay. So next, I would like Kripa to tell me the answer of D number. Kripa, D number. Okay, Kripa, do something. Right? Don't just say it. Can you do something with it? Put some emotion. Say it like you're angry. Say it like you're angry. Say it like you're angry. D number. Just
बेला सोध्नु न अनि पाउँछ त
sound-
may I say
No, Kripa will do it. Kripa, you have to be angry today.
are more useful than cats and dogs is question
Yes, is question, okay.
cats and dogs are less useful than
Cow.
cows and sheep
Okay. And next? Next.
I don't know
Cats and dogs are not as useful as cows and sheep. They are less useful, means they are not as useful as cows and sheep. Okay. I hope others listen. Kripa, please write the second sentence too. And please, let's do it. It'll be boring if you just keep on reading like this. And English requires some emotion, right? If you're just focused in the words, you'll never. Yes, Akash, yes, go. E number. What do you want? I'm just saying practice. If you don't.
I do have D number, okay?
Yes.
Akash emotional. Okay.
Okay, Akash will do it.
You can say.
Okay, let's see.
I will say, okay?
Okay, Akash, go ahead. Green light.
Cat and dog are not used as cow and sheep. Cat and dog are less used than cows and sheep.
Okay, but there is a cat and dogs are not as useful as cows. No, more useful, less useful. So I asked you for D number.
Sir, can you say fastly?
Fastly? Okay, yes, let's try fast the next time. Akash, E number, not D number. D number we have already discussed. Kripa said one, I said another. You're supposed to say D number. E number, sorry, E number.
Yes, D. I have said D.
E.
You first say
number.
D and I.
Yes, my bad, Akash, sorry. Can you say E number? Akash.
Sir, batti gone.
Helen, don't say that. Helen, have you done this, Helen?
Yes, sir. Can you say please no more? Yeah.
You are asking now and you're saying, yeah. I don't know the page number. It's top of the world too. Hey,
Sir,
Akash.
What is page number?
can I say?
I cannot
Yes,
tell you the page number because I don't have the page number here. Ellen, it's top of the world too. Top of the world too.
Yes, sir.
Find out the page number, Ellen. It's not difficult.
Yes, sir.
Akash, I said E number. You didn't give me any answers. E number, Akash.
Sir, batti gएको थियो भर्खरै बत्ती गएर फेरि भर्खर
Okay. Akash, you're not saying. Okay, I'm going on to another student, Akash. And Akash, your D number had a mistake, eh? You said useful and you didn't say as useful as. You just use I think there was some mistake in it. So the correct answer is cats and dogs are less useful than cows and sheep, and then cats and dogs are not as useful as cows and sheep. Please do the correction. Okay. E number, Kavya.
I have done that. Please, can I say number?
You have already said one, Ranjan. So I'm going with Kavya E. Kavya E number. Give us something. Come on. Do it quickly. Do it like you're angry. Do it like
Sir, kun number?
E number.
E number.
Do it like you're angry. Angry Kavya.
Buses are not as comfortable as cars. Buses are less comfortable than cars.
Okay. So you are less angry. Okay, but it's okay. The correct answer. Nice work, Kavya. So buses are not as comfortable as cars. Buses are less comfortable than cars. That's it. Okay. F number. F number, Niyam. Niyam, are you doing it? If you haven't done it, you're supposed to do it, Niyam.
Sir, doing, but kune aachena.
So I saw you sleeping and I just thought, okay, which number are you in, Niyam?
Doing.
Niyam, which number are you in?
C.
C number? Okay, Niyam, please keep doing.
number.
JJ's F number.
Plastic bags are less expensive than leather bag. Plastic bags are not as expensive as leather bag.
Okay, so if you're going to use bag, say bags will be correct if you're going to use R, but your answer is correct, JJ's. Thank you for saying the answers. Very good job. Okay, next, Sneha, G number. Towns are noisier than villages.
Villages are not noisier than towns. Villages are less noisier than village.
Villages are less noisier than villages. Villages are town, and the next sentence will be the villages are not as noisier as town. Not as noisier as town. So you have to use one for as and another less than. Less noisier, correct? And then you say villages are not as noisier as towns. Okay, please do the corrections. Okay, now I'll move on to Kanchan, H number, Kanchan. Kanchan?
Sir,
Yes.
I also understand.
Okay, Aditya, I'll let you say the next one. That's Kanchan. Yes, Erin?
The top of fold 2,
Yes.
50 page number.
Okay, Kanchan.
49.
Kanchan. Top of the world 2. So Kanchan is mute. I don't know. Kanchan is not replying. Okay, Aditya, you go ahead and say H number.
Sir, I H number. Sir, H number.
Yes, Kanchan, your sound.
Am I unusual push one more interesting now?
Yes. Clerks.
Newspaper reports more interesting than a clerk's work is not as interesting as newspaper reporter's work.
Oh,
A
and
clerk's work is less interesting
then
than newspaper reporter's work.
okay, nice. So can you say it like you're talking to me, not like you're reading it from somewhere? Can you say it like this? Like, you're talking. Okay, let's do it like a news readers will do. A clerk's work is more, not more, right? Less. A clerk's work is less interesting than a reporter's work. So you just do something like that. Don't say it like you're reading it. A clerk works is less interesting than a reporter's work. Say it, Aditya, like I did. A clerk's work is less interesting than a reporter's work or a news reporter's work. Aditya, are you listening? Aditya. What happened? Aditya is not here. Okay, nobody's. I feel so lonely. No. Okay, I number. I number. I
सर
number.
तपाईँले मलाई बोलाउनु भयो
Yes. Bolago. Yes, Aditya. Yes. Did you not hear what I
हुन्छ
said? I wanted to say it like, normally, not like you're reading it, like you're speaking with me. So I wanted that to happen, but okay, let's do it then.
सर तपाईँको आवाज कस्तो अड्की अड्की आइरह
I thought something like that was happening. Okay, Aditya, we'll try it next time. Okay, I number series. Babu, series. Series. Sir. Rosen, yes, I will let you say the next one. I have already chosen series for this. Series, unmute. I can see top of your head and no more. Series. Series.
Chicken leg, please.
Okay, Rosen, you go ahead. Series, you're going to say I number now. Rosen. Hey, no. I number Rosen. J number. I number Rosen. Rosen.
Clever is as important as honesty. Clever is less important than honest.
Okay, nice. And can you say the second one? Or you have already and I didn't listen?
Okay. Smoking a pipe isn't as dangerous as smoking a cigarette.
I heard a robotic sound, but I am sure it's correct because I kind of think it is good.
भोइस चेन्जर युज गरेर लाग्छ कहिले काहीँ त
Okay. Jasmine, what happened, Jasmine? Are you okay, Jasmine? Something happened, Jasmine? If you're not feeling good, you may turn off the video. Okay, Jasmine? But if there is anything you can let
No, so rato.
okay. If there is anything, Jasmine, you can let me know. Okay, I'm here. Okay. Ellen, series J number. Ellen, you will be saying the K number, right? Ellen, prepare K number. Series J number. Series. Yes, J number.
Can I try?
Yes, try. That's all I want you to do. Try. Yes, series. Come on, try.
Wait, sir, wait.
So the question reads: smoking a cigarette is more dangerous to health than smoking a pipe. Smoking a cigarette and smoking a pipe is compared. One is more dangerous, another is obviously less dangerous to health. Smoking a pipe.
I don't.
You don't know that you're going to try.
Okay, I will try. Who did this?
Hey, don't do it.
And more dangerous. And more dangerous.
And more dangerous. Why are you starting with and? There is no and here. You say either smoking a pipe is more dangerous or less dangerous or
Smoking up.
or smoking. There is no or smoking. There is only smoking a pipe, and or smoking is so wrong. You don't say or smoking, you say smoking. Smoking a pipe. Series smoking.
Smoking of pipe.
Yes.
And then smoking of pipe. Wait,
You have to understand series and it will come. You don't just play with them, you just understand. Smoking a cigarette.
Smoking of pipe is more dangerous.
Series, it's okay, Series. It's okay. This is how it goes, right? The series. Series, I will help.
Okay,
Series, I will help you. Others mute. This is between me and Series. Others will not speak. Okay, Series, you don't mute. Series, you don't mute. Series, listen. Okay, this is how you say it. First, understand this. There is smoking a cigarette and there is smoking a pipe. You can smoke. Right? So what this sentence is saying is smoking a cigarette is more dangerous. So smoking a cigarette is very dangerous, more dangerous to health. Health ko lai dangerous than smoking a pipe. Smoking cigarette is more dangerous to health than smoking a pipe. So that means yo chai yo bhanda health ko lai धेरै dangerous छ. That's what you understand. Do you understand that, Series? Yes. Now this is the question. I haven't said that.
cigarette?
Now you say, stick with me. Series, please listen to me very carefully and others mute. I will come to you, Ellen, but mute now. Okay. So smoking a cigarette is more dangerous to health than smoking a pipe. दुईटा चिज स्मोक गरिरहेछ एउटा चाहिँ more dangerous than another भनिरहेछ, right? So now what you need to do? Smoking a pipe is less dangerous. Smoking a cigarette more dangerous भन्नासाथ smoking a pipe is less dangerous to health than smoking a cigarette. Do you understand?
So, smoking cigarette is more dangerous?
Is the question. Then you can also say smoking a pipe is less dangerous. Smoking cigarette is more dangerous means smoking a pipe is less dangerous. Do you understand that?
Smoking a pipe is less dangerous and smoking a cigarette is more dangerous?
Yes, but that is not complete. The sentence is not complete. Smoking a cigarette is more dangerous to health than smoking a pipe. Smoking a pipe is less dangerous to health than smoking a cigarette. बुझ्नुभयो Series?
Yeah.
Try to understand. यो कन्ठ गरेर के पाउँछ यसपछि के भन्न खोजेको हो तपाईले त्यो भन्नुस् न. तपाईले अब
I understood.
बस्नुभयो भने so just try to understand के भनेछ बुझ्नुस् and then try to say it. तपाईले त्यसरी वर्डै खोजेर बस्नुभयो भने त it will be mistake and it will be very difficult for you. Okay, K number. And the second sentence is like this. Okay, go to toilet. Okay, Series, don't go. Series, listen first. Smoking a pipe is not as dangerous to health as smoking a cigarette. So second sentence will be smoking a pipe is not as to health as smoking a cigarette. So that one might be a little difficult for you. So let's just stick with the first one, more dangerous and less dangerous. Okay, K number, Ellen has gone toilet. So how many of you have finished 3 number?
May I go toilet?
Go away, Series.
Sir.
Okay, we are going to do K number. Let's do 4 and 5 for today. 5 minutes remaining out.
Sir.
Yes, Ranjan.
Can I say scale number? Follow.
Oh, no. Okay, let's put K number for Ellen. You guys can
Ellen.
4 number and 5 number. 4 number and 5 number.
Sir, 3 number को के भन्नु
4 number को 3 number को मा hint दिएको छ. 4 number 3 number 2 number मा जे गर्नु भएको त्यही नै गर्ने हो. तर एउटा मात्र सेन्टेन्स लेख्ने अनि कुन लेख्ने भनेर चाहिँ त्यहाँ hint दिएको छ. You can look full stop पछि 3-4 वटा वर्डहरु दिएको छ and those are the hints for you. Can you guys do 4 and 5 or I have already sent these pictures to you in message. Tomorrow we'll do the correction of 4 and 5 also.
Projects are already done.
Okay. This took so long.
यार अब 5 मिनट की करनी
4 number and 5 number. Try doing 4 number.
नाचने हो गाउने हो बिन्दस्युने हो
Please mute.
लुगा फाट्ने हो
Ellen, are you here? Can you say the answer of K number?
Yes, sir.
K number
What
answer.
are you saying?
K number answer.
The number answer. The teacher said that Paul's work was very satisfactory than Peter's work.
That is what. Yes. Okay.
Paul
Paul's work. Peter's work.
Paul's work was more
Three number करा छैन है?
Peter's work.
That is the question. That is the question.
Peter's work was less satisfactory than Paul's work.
Good. Now the third one. Another sentence. One with as satisfactory as.
Peter's work was more less
Not. You have already said more and less. Ellen, now you say the as one, not as satisfactory as. You have already said more and less. Can you say that?
Not as satisfactory लेख्ने हो.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, I don't believe that.
Satisfying
Satisfying.
लेख्दै मैले त.
Satisfying. More satisfying. Satisfying is also okay, but satisfying is for us. For Paul and Peter. So
Satisfactory मिल्छ त अनि.
satisfactory is okay. Satisfactory means ठिक्कको. Satisfying means आनन्दको.
Satisfying लेख्दा के हुन्छ?
Satisfying and satisfactory has different meaning. दुवै मिल्छ मिल्न त, but they have different meaning.
Sir, 2 minutes left.
Okay, so
Sir,
yes.
Sir, I know.
Yo, what did you say?
म भन्नु answer.
Okay, say the third sentence. Yes, please say the sentence. Yes. Who did this?
बोललाई.
भन्नुस् भर्खर मलाई कसले म भन्नु.
म भन्छु. The teacher said that Peter's work was not satisfying as Paul's work. The teacher said that Peter's work was less satisfying than Paul's.
Okay, not as satisfying as.
Once more.
Correct.
Once more.
Not as
Once more.
Peter's work was not satisfactory as Paul's work. Yes, Kavya, repeat that as sentence for Ellen, please.
The teacher said that Peter's work was not as satisfying as Paul's work.
Okay, thank you, Kavya.
Sir,
Yes.
Thank you.
have you taken
Sir, 1 minute left.
Yes, 1 minute left. I have
Sir,
taken
bhuk lagi.
attendance. You guys may leave, and please tomorrow we'll be doing the correction of 3 number and 4 number.
bye-bye,
5.
sir.
Wait.
And we
This-
leave.
I'm going to eat.
To the students who are just not attending the class properly and not finishing the work, please, you cannot do this. You will have another problem come the evaluation series. Niyam, please finish your work, try to understand the work. I'm here to help you. Take my help and take it in right time. When we are doing correction, if you want to take my help to do the work, then it will create difficulty me and other friends. So please try to complete the course. I have taken the attendance. Yes. Mute everyone.
Online क्लासमा आउन नि सक्छ कि त ढिला आउँछु कि त नआउन सक्छ है सर.
But I cannot say us because you will be getting minus if you don't let your
है सर.
तपाईको पेरेन्ट्सले इन्फर्म गर्नुपर्छ सफलता हैन भने तपाईले माइनस पाउनु. ओके सफलता.
हुन्छ सर. सर मेरो आँखा जचाउनु पर्छ.
Okay. But let someone call me or Suman sir, okay?
Bye-bye, sir.
Let someone call me Safalta and inform me.
Less than 1 minute. Bye.